everyone, Amanda here from Create with Scrimping Mummy. This is just a quick information video, so these are just here. I'll just share that because I'm quite proud of that. These are just here to fill the space because I'm not big on showing my face. So I'm just here today to share with you my biggest influence. And if you already follow this lady, you will quite clearly see that I am heavily influenced by this lady. I don't copy exactly what she does, but I do take ideas and inspiration from this lady. The idea of doing the monthly journals has completely come from this lady. She does something similar, well, monthly, but hers are on a much grander scale than mine, believe you and me, because this lady is far more experienced at crafting than I am. She's been at this kind of thing far longer, and she just has that natural ability. She doesn't have to, I don't think she has to work very hard at coming up with ideas. She works very hard, but you know, some people have just got it. They don't have to think. And I just think she's fantastic. So I will have mentioned before, this lady is Kathy Orta King. Also, her business name is Paper Phenomenon, and the reason I'm coming on today is that I'm going to share a link to Kathy's YouTube channel because she's actually starting a new YouTube. So the one she's got currently, I think she's just under 70,000 subscribers. For some reason, I don't know why, but she is going to explain. She is leaving that particular YouTube channel and moving to another one that she has, that she created a long time ago, and she's going to be moving all of those videos on that channel to the new one and closing the old one down, I believe. So I just wanted to put the word out. When I looked yesterday, I think she was at about 400 subscribers. She'll be at probably thousands by now because all of her followers will have gone over. But I just thought if anybody hadn't seen any of the messages or wasn't subscribed to her emails, that they might not know that this is going to happen. So I thought I'd share it here, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to Kathy's new channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified of all new uploads. If you don't hit the notification bell, YouTube doesn't tell you when somebody's uploaded a video. And I'm sharing because I want to send you to the main source so you can see where I get my inspiration from. Whenever I do something, when I'm inspired by somebody else, I always give credit, always, because that is the correct thing to do. And I am massively influenced by Kathy. I have literally taught myself how to make folios from following Kathy. I've done some of her paid tutorials and classes, and also just by watching her and getting ideas on flips and page layouts. You can get heaps of ideas. Now, Kathy also does in her shop, which is called Paper Phenomenon. If you just go onto Google and type it in, it should come up. She also sells beautiful digitals. Now, she does them in 12 by 12 because originally, you know, she's a scrapbooker. She makes beautiful scrapbooks and albums, and as of recent, she's gone into journal making. Probably been doing them a while, but you know, taking it a bit further, because obviously it's super popular, isn't it? And everybody wants to have a go. So if you're a scrapbooker, a folio maker, album maker, journal maker, there's lots on there for you to get inspiration. Like I say, she does do digital collections, okay? Now, her digitals are absolutely stunning. I will say that I don't charge as much as Kathy, and there's a reason for that. Kathy's work is far superior to mine, and I'm not saying that like I think mine's no good. I'm not, I'm from Yorkshire. We don't sugarcoat stuff. A spade is a spade. I know my limitations. Kathy has a graphics designer that works with her to realise her ideas. So Kathy has the ideas, and then the graphic designer puts those ideas onto paper for her. And so her paper designs are absolutely out this world. They're stunning. That whoever does that work for her, it really is golden. They're a diamond. They're invaluable because the work they come up with is absolutely outstanding. She also does them in 12 by 12s, and you can get printable versions from her as well. I don't do printable versions of mine. It's not it's too expensive for my followers. My followers can't afford those kind of prices. I know my market, and I know kind of what my followers can and can't afford. But her work's just stunning. The lady herself, and I'm not, trying to blow smoke up anybody's backside. Credit where credit's due. The woman is absolutely fantastic. She's a lovely person herself. I find her very fun to watch. She does lots of videos and lots of live classes as well. And she does have moderators, so the live classes are interesting to watch. I have to watch them on catch up because they're obviously done in USA time, and they're coming live in the UK at about 1 o'clock in the morning. And much as I love cafe, I'm not staying up till 1 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, I just wanted to send you to the source of my inspiration so that you can benefit from it as well. As I say, lots of you might already be following her. She's been around for years, but I just wanted to, and little old me, what can I do? But if I can just get people to know that her channel's changed, even if it gets 3 or 4 people over there, then it's a bonus, isn't it? It's getting the word out. If you know anybody else, around and about, tell them the information, spread the word. The crafty community, is a strong community, and I don't think she's going to need lots of help to get viewers and subscribers to the new channel, because she is so talented. She'll do it anyway. But if we can help get there a bit quicker, then all the better. So that's my waffle for today. So go and check out the link below and subscribe to Kathy's new channel. You won't regret it. And that's where I get most of my inspiration. When I started learning how to make folios, that's where I got the ideas from. Journal making I've done for ages anyway. But the idea of doing them every single month definitely came from Kathy, and it's been really fun to do. So I'm really glad that I took that idea and inspiration and tried to make a go of it. It's hard work, but it's fun, and it's been really, really rewarding. So I'm really grateful to Kathy for the inspiration that she's given me. So go to the description box below. Thanks for watching. I'll stop waffling. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.